How to connect computer to Wi-Fi without cable. Step 1. Check if your PC has Wi-Fi. Click the Start menu, type Device Manager, and open it. Under Network Adapters, look for something that says Wireless, Wi-Fi, or WANN. If you find one, awesome, your PC is Wi-Fi ready. If not, you'll need to install a wireless network adapter before moving on. Step 2. Connect to Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Status, then open Network and Sharing Center. Here you'll see all the available Wi-Fi networks nearby. Step 3. Set up a new connection. Click Set up a new connection or network and follow the on-screen steps to connect to your Wi-Fi. Step 4. Complete the setup. Choose your Wi-Fi router, click Next, and finish the setup process. Once that's done, your computer will be connected. No cables needed. Outro. And that's it. You're online, wireless, and free from the mess of cables. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.